A to Z vitamins, minerals, and supplements. Vitamin B complex. At the end of this video, you will learn what is vitamin B complex, benefits of vitamin B, deficiency symptoms, natural sources of vitamin B complex, dosage and usage, warning and precaution. What is vitamin B? Vitamin B complex refers to all of the known essential water-soluble vitamins except for vitamin C. These include thiamine B1, riboflavin B2, niacin B3, pantothenic acid B5, pyridoxine B6, biotin B7, folic acid B9, and cobalamin. Benefits of vitamin B complex. Helps the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose. This provides energy for the body. It also aids in the breakdown of fats and proteins, which aid in the normal functioning of the nervous system. B vitamins are vital for clear, luminous skin, youthful look, and for delaying graying hair. B vitamins also counteract stress, which has adverse effect on one's appearance. The vitamin B complex is essential for correct digestion, production of HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, and to assist in the breakdown of fats, proteins. Deficiency symptoms: greasy skin, dandruff, scaly lips, poor hair growth, gray hair, dry skin, redness and irritation, inflamed seizures at the corners of nose and mouth, premature wrinkles. Now let's look at some natural sources of vitamin B complex. Natural sources of B complex. B1 thiamine can be found in fish, peanuts, wheat germ, and beans. Cereals such as rice, wheat, and barley all contain B complex vitamins, but they are found particularly in the outer covering of the grain. This means that polished rice has lost many of these vitamins because of the process it has to go through. The same is true for white flour from wheat. B2 riboflavin, it can be found in dairy products, meat, green leafy vegetables, nuts, and beans. B3, which is niacin, can be found in beans, dairy products, meat, and nuts. Vitamin B5, some foods that contain vitamin B5 are liver, bean, meat. B6 contain or can be found in beans, meat, and peanuts. B7 can be found in liver, eggs, and milk. B9, which is folic acid, can be found in dark green leafy vegetables, liver, beans. B12 can be found in meat, yogurt, eggs, and Dosage and usage. The recommended daily allowance for B complex is as follows. B1, which is thiamine, has an RDA of 1 to 1.4 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. B2, riboflavin, has an RDA of 1.6 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. B3, which is niacin, has an RDA of 13, which is 1.3, to 18, which is 1.8 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. And B5, which is pantothenic acid, has an RDA of 4 to 7 micrograms for persons. B6, which is pyridoxine, has an RDA of 2 to 2.2 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. B7, which is biotin, has an RDA of 100 to 200 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. B9, which is folic acid, has an RDA of 400 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. And B12, which is cobalamin, has an RDA of 3 micrograms for persons ages 11 and over. Please note that these RDA can be found in most vitamin or on the container. Always remember to use the recommended dosage as written. Warnings and precautions. Patients who are recovering from heart attacks are not advised to take vitamin B complex. Studies show that those who took the highest amount of vitamin B, their heart risk increased by 20%. Persons who are allergic should not take this vitamin. Be mindful of if you're pregnant. Be mindful if you're breastfeeding. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Remember, at Chance Holistic Health Clinic, we strive to restore your mind, body, and soul the natural way. Knowledge is power.